Adobe MAX 2025 is here, and it's packed with the most exciting AI and creative tools we've ever seen. From voiceover generators to smart design assistants, Adobe is officially taking creativity to the next level. Let's explore all the biggest announcements from this year's event. Adobe kicked off the event with major updates to its Firefly AI models and Creative Cloud apps, including Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and Lightroom. The biggest highlight: Photoshop's Generative Fill can now use third-party AI models like Google Gemini 2.5 Flash and Flux.1 context, giving creators more control and diverse results for object replacements, edits, and scene enhancements. It's all about flexibility and speed, letting you swap, add, or remove anything with just a few words. Next up, Adobe introduced Generate Soundtrack and Generate Speech, two new Firefly AI tools that instantly add background music or narration to your videos. These tools analyze your video and automatically create matching instrumentals or voiceovers, with presets like Lo-fi, EDM, or cinematic tones, or even based on your custom text prompt. Adobe Express just got a massive upgrade, introducing its all-new AI assistant. This conversational design agent lets anyone create or edit visuals just by describing them in plain language. Want a retro-style science fair poster or a fall-themed wedding invitation? Just type it in, and Express builds it for you. During the live demo, the AI even surprised the host, turning a photo into a cartoon without being asked. So yeah, creativity just got spontaneous. YouTubers, this one's for you. Adobe is launching a new Create for YouTube Shorts hub, built right inside Premiere's new mobile app, and even integrated into YouTube itself. Expect exclusive templates, transitions, and smart effects tailored for short-form video creation. Finally, Adobe previewed an experimental project called Project Moonlight, your AI-powered creative director for social media. It connects with your creative tools and social profiles to generate consistent, personalized posts, videos, and graphics that match your brand's tone and style. With this, Adobe wants to automate social media creativity, so you can focus on your ideas, not endless edits. So that's a wrap on Adobe MAX 2025. From AI-generated soundtracks to smart design assistants, Adobe is turning creative dreams into reality. Which new feature are you most excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and AI updates.